One of the best experiences we had in Hokkaido. Our instructor, Blue, was very patient despite the communication barrier. He did his best to speak English clearly, which we really appreciated. The transportation was smooth and comfortable, and Teine Ski Resort was a great choice for beginners. We also loved that the tour included a pictorial, which was an amazing bonus. The only downside was the additional cost. The tour itself is quite expensive, and we had to pay an extra 10,000 Japanese yen. I highly recommend Coach Jiatong. I am a novice skier with poor qualifications, and I am afraid of falling. My body is very stiff. Thank you, Coach, for your careful guidance, companionship along the way, and patience. I was a little embarrassed because I was too clumsy, but the coach gave me full confidence and courage. I got on the car and skied for a short distance that day. I thought a novice could not ski on the car on the first day. Thank you, Coach, for your encouragement, which allowed me to complete my life list. And it had a great first-time experience skiing thanks to this package. Transpo plus gear plus lessons plus photography plus insurance, all inclusive already. Our teacher Cece was very patient and took great photos of his students' smile. I learned a lot about skiing and would try out this. I had an absolutely incredible time on the ski day tour. From start to finish, everything was perfectly organized. The staff was friendly, knowledgeable, and made sure we felt comfortable every step of the way. The views were breathtaking, with stunning snow-capped mountains as far as the eye could see. The ski slopes were in fantastic condition, and the guides were excellent at tailoring the experience to different skill levels, ensuring This skiing experience was an unforgettable challenge and growth process for me. When I first put on the heavy ski equipment and stood on the snow track, I felt excited and nervous at the same time. I was worried that I would not be able to control my balance well or fall. However, under the patient guidance of the instructor, I gradually mastered the basic skills of skiing, including how to control speed, turn and brake. The first few times I fell, I was a little frustrated, but every time I stood up, I told myself to try again. As I continued to practice, my movements became more and more proficient. From the gentle slope at the beginning to the challenge of steep snow trails, this progress brought a huge sense of accomplishment. I especially liked the sense of speed on the snow when gliding. We had a great time at Teine Ski Resort. Our coach was really good and patient in teaching the basics of skiing. We would definitely go back soon. It was okay. Below my expectations. The instructor did not really guide my son, supposed to be a full-day course. Only first half he guided my son. Second half my husband got to stay back to accompany my son. But good experience. Coach Xiao Shen is very patient and careful. Even though I learn very slowly and can't even learn at all, he still patiently teaches me and finally takes me down the mountain. He is also very friendly and professional, and the photos and videos he took are very good. Therefore, it is highly recommended for beginners, especially those who have no skiing experience.